Today we are going to change the time belt for Santa Fe 2000 intercooler. One. Remove this contact. You'll find out the screw or CCs here. So the same way. Okay, look at this one. Okay, wait. The cooler is free now. Stop it now. Go in here and then unscrew. Cover it. Let's remove this one. To remove this. Let's remove this one and this one.
Okay.
Let's remove this one too. One and remove this one. Use mark. Don't mix it together. So other one. And remove this one. So this one. And this one.
Yeah.
Look at mechanically forgetting here. Stop it now. So remove it. The other one here. So we remove this cover. Oi. Remove it. And remove. Okay. Tensioner belt. Remove it. Ready now. Remove the tensioner pulley. Yeah, stick out. This one, remove it. 3 bolt, remove it. 1, 2. You see, look at this mark. You put it in there with this one. Don't break it. Gentle. Stop. This contact, not contact, this one. And you remove this one. First, this one. Three. Stop going. Twist this way. Don't break it. The cam sensor. Remove this one because this one. Be careful with the cam. This guy على طول هون. You see the timing? Stop it. Okay, remove this bolt. Stop it. Move it a little bit there. Move it here. And this one and this one. Okay. Remove this one. Yeah, the belt is now ready. Look at this one. This one in here, if you are look at this one, put it in this one, it's in this one, rotate it. Put it this one, mark with this one. So the tensioner pulley, if you are look at it there, and the yellow one with the other pin. So I did it mark in here. Put it this mark and put it with this one. Also up. I did it mark this one with this one. Nothing, they don't have mark, but I did it, or this one with this one. Okay, stop burn. First a little bit and open it, and next what we'll do, this one like that, and release this one. Yeah, this one release now. Be careful. See this one? Remove it. Yeah, not a hollow now. Take it and remove it. Bottom. And this one. Stop. 14 millimeter. And remove this one, water pump. Then stop it and clean the surface. عاود stop قرا. Breathe the pack in. Put it. This one also. Okay, it's not.
Okay.
Check the brake the whole day. Get a second. I know. Okay, then look at sorry. Get this one back. Yes, at fire. Perfect. So good. How are you? Engineer for the serpent belt.